Number 2. Subpart number 2. We have to prove A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union of B complement. So let us start with LHS. LHS equals to A intersection of B whole complement equals to U minus of A intersection of B equals to U minus of A intersection B will be set containing 2 and nothing. So set containing 2 only. So this will be equals to U minus set containing 2 will be set containing 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Let us make it equation number 1. RHS is A complement union of B complement. A complement is U minus of A union of U minus of B. Now U minus of A over here it will be 1, 2 is there, 3, 4 is here, 5, 6 is here, 7, 8 is here, 9. Union of U minus of B. So U minus of B, 1, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4, 5 is here, 6, 7 is here, 8 and then 9. Their union will be set containing 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Let us make it equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 LHS equals to RHS. Therefore A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement and hence proved. Let us come to question number 5 of exercise 1.5 NCERT. Question number 5 says that draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. A union B whole complement, A complement intersection B complement, A intersection B complement and A complement union of B complement. By observation we can see this is actual. The question wants the proof of De Morgan's law with the help of Venn diagram. So let us do, and actually we have done, while explanation we have done the Venn diagram proof for De Morgan's law. Even then if the question is there, let us proceed. A union B complement. So let us do over here. This one is A, this one is B. So A, and if it is B, then A union B will be this portion. So A union B whole complement will be, this is A, this is B, will be all portions except A and B. So we will be shade it nicely beta, this portion. This is A union B whole complement. Next is A complement intersection B complement. So if we see it, if this is A, this is B, then A complement will be except A all. B complement this is A, this is B. B complement will be all except B. So A complement intersection B complement will be, the common element of A complement and B complement will be, this is A, this is B, will be all except A union B. So 0. So from here we can say that A union B whole complement is A complement intersection B complement. Now let us proceed to number 3rd, A intersection B whole complement. So over here, this is A, this is B, So A intersection B is this portion. Let us write A intersection B. This one is B. So A intersection B whole complement will be, this is A, this is B, will be all portions except this A intersection B portion, except this portion. You shade it nicely with the help of colored pencil. You'll be getting a nice figure. So A intersection B whole complement is this portion only. The rest all portions are shaded. Now A complement this one, B complement this one. So union of these two will be obviously all except this portion. So I am drawing directly. You people draw in detail. So this will be equals to this portion U. This one is A, this one is B. This portion will not be shaded. The rest all portion you will be shading. Only this portion will be left unshaded. You can see over here A intersection B whole complement is A complement union of B complement. Let us proceed to question number 6 now. Let us come to question number 6, which says that if U equals to, that is the universal set equals to set of all triangles in a plane, and A equals to set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree. So over here set U is U. This is the set of all triangles. U is the set of all triangles. Set of all triangles. Whatever type of triangles is there is U. And A. One set A is there, which is the triangle with at least one angle different from 60 degree. So in this all types of triangles are there in which at least one angle is different from 60 degree, that is not 60 degree. So what is A complement? So obviously children, A complement is the set of all equilateral triangles. So we will write the same. So let us write. Direct answer you can write. Clearly A complement equals to set of all equilateral triangles. A complement equals to set of all equilateral triangles. Let us come to question number 7. Now question number 7 is fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. So let us do it. A union A complement. Obviously A and union of the remaining A is the universal set U. Phi complement intersection A. Now phi complement is children U intersection A. Always when we do the intersection, the result is always the smaller set. So this will be equals to A. Now A intersection of A complement. A intersection means the common element of A and A complement. We know that A and A complement are disjoint sets. So A intersection A complement is equals to phi. Now U complement intersection A. U complement is phi. Phi intersection A. Whenever we do the intersection, the result is the smaller set. So phi intersection A will be equals to phi. So the concept of De Morgan's law exercise is complete. Now we will be coming to the practical application of the set theory. So let us go to the next section now.